What is in the California Health and Safety Code? The California Health and Safety Code is one of 29 codes that contain state statutes. The Health and Safety Code contains 56 divisions. It also contains numerous parts, chapters, and articles containing thousands of individual code sections or statutes. So the following is a broad overview of the California Health and Safety Code. General provisions are in sections 1 through 28, and it has 28 sections in it. Division 1 is on administration of public health in sections 135 to 1179.102, and it contains 16 parts, 17 chapters, 3 articles, and 141 sections. Division 3 is on the use of seclusion and behavioral restraints in facilities in sections 1180 to 1180.6. It contains just 7 sections. Division 2 is on licensing provisions in sections 1200 to 1796.70. It contains 51 chapters, 165 articles, and 2,301 individual sections. Section 2.5 is on emergency medical services in 1797 to 1863. It contains 15 chapters, 22 articles, and 273 sections. Division 3 is on pest abatement in sections 2000 to 2910. It contains 3 chapters, 17 articles, and 127 sections. Division 5 is on sanitation in sections 4600 to 6127. It contains 1 part, 9 chapters, 44 articles, and 433 sections. Division 6 is on sanitary districts in section 6400 to 6982. It contains 2 parts, 11 chapters, 30 articles, and 296 sections. Division 7 is on dead bodies in sections 7000 to 8030. It contains 2 parts, 14 chapters, 22 articles, and 209 sections. Division 8 is on cemeteries in sections 8100 to 9703. It contains 6 parts, 30 chapters, 31 articles, and 330 sections. Division 10 is on Uniform Controlled Substances Act in sections 11,000 to 11651. It contains 16 chapters, 22 articles, and 367 sections. Division 10.2 is on Drug Dealer Liability Act in section 11,700 to 11,717. There are 18 sections contained therein. Division 10.5 is on alcohol and drug programs in sections 11750 to 11975. It contains 3 parts, 25 chapters, 30 articles, and 244 sections. Division 10.6 is on drug and alcohol abuse master plans in sections 11998 to 11998.4. It contains 1 chapter and 5 sections. Division 10.7 is on illegal use of drugs and alcohol in sections 11999 to 11999.3 and contains just 4 sections. Division 10.8 is on substance abuse treatment funding in sections 11999.4 to 11999.13, and it contains 11 sections. Division 10.9 is on substance abuse testing and treatment accountability program in sections 11999.20 to 11999.25, and it contains 2 sections. Division 11 is on explosives in sections 12,000 to 12761. It is contained in 3 parts, 21 chapters, 5 articles, and 230 sections. Division 12 is on fires and fire protection in sections 13,000 to 14959, and it contains 9 parts, 33 chapters, 28 articles, and 458 sections. Division 12.5 is on buildings used by the public in section 16,000 to 16604. It contains 4 chapters, 5 articles, and 43 sections. Division 13 is on housing in section 17,000 to 19997 and contains 15 parts, 68 chapters, 44 articles, and 930 sections. Division 14 is on police protection in sections 20,000 to 20,115. There is 1 part, 1 chapter, 3 articles, and 53 sections. Division 20 is on miscellaneous health and safety provisions in sections 24,000 to 26,250, and it contains 50 chapters, 109 articles, and 1,457 sections. Division 23 is on hospital districts in sections 32,000 to 32,449.4. There are 10 chapters, 6 articles, and 139 sections. Division 23.5 is on endowment hospitals in sections 32,500 to 32,508, and there are 9 sections contained. Division 24 is on community development and housing in sections 33,000 to 37,964, and it contains 16 parts, 61 chapters, 77 articles, and 1,078 sections. Division 25 is on Health and Welfare Agency Direct Service Contracts Reform Act in sections 38,000 to 38,041. And this division contains 6 chapters and 19 sections. Division 23.1 is on Health and Welfare Agency Administrative Appeals Process for Nonprofit Human Services Agencies in sections 38,050 to 38,065. It contains 4 chapters and just 7 sections. Division 25.2 is the State Department of Health Services Cooperative Agreement Act in sections 38,070 to 38,081.1, and this just contained 1 chapter and 15 sections. Division 25.5 is on California Global Warming Solutions Act of 2006 in sections 38,500 to 38,599.11. It contains 8 parts, 4 chapters, and 48 sections. Division 26 is on air resources in sections 39,000 to 44,474. It contains 7 parts, 72 chapters, 116 articles, and 1,480 sections. Division 27 is on California Pollution Control Financing Authority Act in sections 44,500 to 44,563. It contains 2 chapters, 7 articles, and 70 sections. Division 28 is on the Noise Control Act in sections 46,000 to 4680. It contains 8 chapters and 25 sections. Division 31 is on housing and home finance in sections 50,000 to 54,913. It contains 19 parts, 115 chapters, 33 articles, and 1,973 sections. Division 32 is on seismic safety building rehabilitation loans in sections 55,000 to 55,117. It contains 2 parts and just 29 sections. Division 37 is on regulation of environmental protection in sections 57,000 to 5730. There are 16 sections contained in here. Division 37.5 is repair or maintenance projects in sections 57,050 to 57,053.9. It contains 2 chapters, 2 articles, and 12 sections. Division 101 is on administration of public health in sections 100,100 to 101,997. There are 8 parts, 23 chapters, and 55 articles, and 339 sections. Division 102 is on vital records and health statistics in sections 102,100 to 103,925. There are 2 parts, 24 chapters, 41 articles, and 312 sections. Division 103 is on disease prevention and health promotion in sections 104,100 to 106,036. It contains 8 parts, 29 chapters, 29 articles, and 255 sections. Section 104 is on environmental health in sections 106,500 to 119,406. It contains 16 parts, 125 chapters, 281 articles, and 2,333 individual sections. Division 105 is on communicable disease prevention and control in sections 120,100 to 122,476. It contains 9 parts, 60 chapters, 7 articles, and 471 sections. Division 106 is on personal health care, including maternal, child, and adolescent. It's in sections 123,100 to 123,850. It contains 12 parts, 28 chapters, 58 articles, and 529 sections. Division 107 is on healthcare access and information in sections 127,000 to 130,079, and it contains 6 parts, 19 chapters, 38 articles, and 359 sections. Division 108 is on California Children and Families Program in sections 130,100 to 130,158, and it contains 17 sections. Division 109 is the Center for Data Insights and Innovation in sections 130,200 to 130,211 and contains 14 sections. Division 109.7 is on California Health and Human Services Data Exchange Framework in section 130,290, and it contains just one section. Division 111 is the Golden Bear State Pharmacy Assistance Program in sections 130,400 to 130,410, and it contains 14 sections. Division 112 is on California Discount Prescription Drug Program in sections 130,500 to 130,544. It contains 5 chapters and 22 sections. Division 112 is on public health in sections 131,000 to 131,320, and it contains 3 chapters, 3 articles, and 47 sections. Division 113 is the Adult Health Coverage Expansion Program. It's in sections 131,500 to 131,550. It currently contains 6 chapters and 13 sections. Division 114 is on prescription drug discount prohibition in sections 13,2000 to 132,008, and it contains just 5 sections. Division 114.01 is on preserving access to affordability drugs in sections 134 to 134,002, and it contains 2 sections. Division 116 is on surplus medical collection and distribution in sections 150,200 to 150,208. It contains 10 sections. Division 117 is on the Cancer Medication Recycling Act in sections 150,400 to 150,404, and it contains just 5 sections. Division 119 is on transgender wellness and equity in section 150,900, and it contains just 1 section. And finally, Division 120 is on Sexual Health Education and Accountability Act in sections 151,000 to 151,003. And this division actually has 4 sections. So the California Health and Safety Code has today 16,740 individual code sections within the code itself.